This is Bunny with Bunny Plays Here. If you're looking for Fit for Expedition, you found him.
We thought we had a perfect bed for our uses in the box van, and what we did is we followed the example of some regular van life channels, you know, smaller, normal sized vans, and we thought, hey, let's do what they're doing and we'll retain more floor plan in the space. We have a bigger space. It's a box van. It's 128 square feet, so it's about 1.5 times, if not more, than another style of van. We thought we could actually retain more space. That's probably a trade-off to do it that way, and it's probably because of the size. It eliminates a lot of the storage that you could have if you did it a different way.
Don't stop.
I'm going to use these rails off the old bed to help support the top. I'm using more parts from the old bed. So we're going to put the top on this today. This is going to be permanently enclosed, and you can see the cargo door right back there. If you see down in this space, you can see that there's no insulation right there, and that was down in the storage container at one time. Now it's above the bed because we lowered the bed a little bit, found that it was too tall. So I'll get in there with 2-inch insulation. Definitely sturdy. I need to put the rungs that go on the sides here, and well, you'll see how it goes together. Now let's just hope all the measurements are correct here. Okay, so far so good. Well, pretty good. That's sticking out a little bit. It's probably, there's an L bracket inside here at the bottom. I probably need to push it out a little bit. It's probably just inset a little bit. The mattress should come today, I think, too, right?
I thought it was tomorrow.
Maybe.
Something's coming tomorrow, I don't remember.
Maybe. I'm getting a little ahead of where I thought it would be, so.
Alright, that looks good.
The most difficult part about this, besides the heat that is going to be piecing the mattress sections together so that they work here. I bought another mattress just like the ones we have. We had two 30-inch wide, 73-inch long mattresses, memory foam. They're really super comfortable, more comfortable than our bed at home. And so I found my old video of when I bought the original mattresses and did a review on them. And I said that I was going to come back and do a review later. And I just got to tell you, I will link the video to the original mattress review here, and then so you can buy that mattress because it's really comfortable. And if you watch the older video, you can see what kind of mattresses they are. You can go to the link in the description of the video and click on it, and it'll give you the exact mattress. I'm not an Amazon affiliate or anything like that, so I don't get anything out of it. But and maybe someday I will be, but I'm not now. Now you might notice that these two piano hinges, they don't match. One's, you know, stainless or chrome or whatever, and the other one is brass finished. But that's because I already own this one. That's one thing about my build, is if I own something already, I'll usually try to use it. So if you're curious to see why we call this an RV style bed instead of a Vanlife style bed and how it functions, here it is. So to cut the foam, this memory foam mattress, we used a serrated bread knife. You probably want to use a Sharpie or something, but I just want to show you this. This is just an example. You also don't want to put weight on it when you're starting. So I started my line right there. And it's as simple as just keep a straight line. Just keep cutting through consistently without a lot of pressure. You're trying to draw a straight line right here with a knife. And that's pretty straight. That's basically how we cut all the foam. Now, we originally had the intention of upholstering this ourselves. And we did cut the cushions, and I showed you how we did that. But we got to a point where, like, you know, we just want to make sure this is right. Make sure this looks very good. Also, we bought the fabric. We went ahead and purchased it. There's a lot of fabric stores out there, very expensive, prices through the roof. What we did is, for about half the price per yard, we went to Walmart. We bought the fabric there. And I don't get any money for saying this about Walmart. I am not an affiliate of Walmart or anything like that. So we got this Better Homes and Garden fabric, pre-cut fabric, 2 yards. So the cool thing about this, and we got this 2 colors, this is for the back side, this is for the front side, so we can have a versatile look. Change it around a little bit. We can have half of it up this way, half of it up this way, or we can have it all one color, or whatever we want to do, or one pattern. But the cool thing about this is we can return what we don't use as long as we don't open the package. That's why we went ahead and opted for this. Plus, it was half the price. One thing that I liked about it is this is fairly soft. Okay, it's a little coarser than your average sheet, but it's durable. We bought this because we don't want to have to make the bed all the time. We don't have to put sheets down. This is washable material, so we can remove these from the cushions and wash it. And essentially, this is acting as a sheet. And as you saw by the way the bed comes apart and goes back together again, very small cushions, easy to manage, taking the material off, you know, the covers off, easy to move to get into the storage containers, and that's what we really wanted. So obviously we are not complete with the bed yet. We haven't completely finished it. We are still working on making arrangements with the upholsterer In a future video, we'll have the upholstered look, and I can show you that. But also in the next video, we should have the floor done, so I can show you how the floor looks when we finish that. So I hope you guys stay connected. I hope you guys follow along on our journeys and on our construction of our box truck, which we will be going full-time in eventually, as soon as we can get rid of all of our stuff, which we are looking forward to getting rid of all of our stuff, working on it all the time while we're doing all the rest of this. So this is Greg. You've been watching Fit for Expedition. Fun Seekers, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you haven't given this a thumbs up yet, please give it a thumbs up. Unless you don't like it, you can always give it a thumbs down. That's okay. I'm not going to be mad or anything. And we will see you next time.